everyone, welcome back to another video here at 888. So, I'm back here. Got a few days off, so I'm back to do a few bits on the PS13. So, the car's finished. When I say finished, it hasn't been finished, but the car's been on the road. I haven't been happy with it. I've been bringing it to shows now because that's what you do. But I'm not 100% happy with the car. Obviously, we had the little incident. I kind of went a bit mad and done a bit of shopping. I bought some pretty expensive stuff that I probably shouldn't have bought, but here we are and it's done now. So, first box isn't very exciting. I'm just going to show you the box and I'm going to show you them. A set of mirrors. I got a gear knob extension too, because the RB25 gearbox sits down very low. And then my outlet. Shout out to Darren. He gave me the new gear knob. He hooked me up. There's a slight surprise or hint of where it came from, the new box. So I'm gonna open the mirrors anyway. Ganondorf style mirrors. I have a vented bonnet on the way. And yeah, these came from Seamus McCooey, so shout out to Seamus. I only ordered them off him yesterday and they're already here. Thanks Seamus. And yeah, let's get open the boxes. So if you haven't really noticed already, I get bored very easily. Roll cages out of the car, get powder coated, different colour, and doing the wheels. Yeah, I get distracted very easily. It's not very fun to be honest, but it's fun doing it, but it's not fun paying for it. I suppose it cancel out somewhat. And look at that! I got a spoiler, it's the exact same as the one I already have. Where would you get it? I think I just broke it. Oh, I did just break it actually. But anyways, I'm putting this on the car because that one was a temporary fix. I needed a new one. But this is the big piece here, so I cannot wait to get this on the car. Even though it's not washed, I might go bring it for a wash, bring these along, go get it washed somewhere, bring these along and see. Hopefully I like it. I know I will like it.
Go on and touch your brother.
Well, me man.
There.
Doing a bit of repair work, are you?
A bit of repair work.
Okay. Big moment.
Big moment, yeah.
Going for the big new surprise. One of the vehicles that I have took part exchange on me super van.
Yeah, I know you're excited.
I'm very excited. But here, you didn't really. I think the camera would have been dead on you when you were showing off your car.
Did good edge, yeah.
Yeah. Okay.
While I was fitting, so.
Okay. Right. Well, sure, we'll have a quick look at her. Noise of that thing. There she is, Pat.
There she is.
Well, I have to tell you one thing, yeah?
Yeah.
Of all the modifications on cars I've seen in this yard in a while, yeah?
Yeah.
That is actually one of the nicest. That is serious, Pat. Bit dirty, hey?
It's a little bit dirty. Weird material that on the sides. It looks like it's scratched and the scratches rub out.
You went for the front little splitter.
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay, right.
I went for a very small one.
Very small one, okay.
And I have that bolted to the car.
Okay.
So it won't fold in.
But anyway, Pat, the moment of truth is, okay, boom, your car is almost there. You have your Ganondorfs. What's the name of the Ganondorfs you got?
Fanadors.
Fanadors, huh? You have Fanador Squantor. You might have a bit of new suspension coming soon.
My vented bonnet's ready to be collected.
Vented bonnet.
From Paulius at TH Components.
Excellent stuff. So she's gonna be serious now soon, yeah?
And a newer spoiler.
Oh yeah, because the one that's on it, yeah, is after the little incident. You just
Temporarily fixed.
it's a temporary spot, yeah.
Yeah.
But anyway, no, pal, she's looking well. But most importantly, okay, yeah, right, we need to get out of here and head for Navan, yeah, collect our new truck.
We do.
And yeah, that's it. Today was meant to be the day that I was collecting the R8 after the little suspension upgrade. But anyway, I'm just as excited to go and collect the truck. Well, let's get the old trailer hooked up.
We spotted something on the road.
That was a coincidence. So we're on our way to collect our little toy, our new little toy, and a certain person asked me for a loan of a certain car because his son is having, was it communion today?
Communion.
The Jake's lad. And look what's in front of us.
Looks familiar.
What a machine! I haven't seen that on the road. I love it! I haven't seen that driving on the road in a long time, mate.
I look cool going by us.
Oh my god, I looked and says, holy shit, look at this thing. And then I realised he's out cruising in our Porsche, okay? When we're out, I was going to say bad stuff about our new Porsches, but I can't. I've done a deal with this show, Craig. I don't even know what it looks like properly. Anyway, to Navan we go. Oh my god, there she is.
There, I see it.
I see it in the distance and I think he's sitting in it. Oh my god.
Next left, then you will arrive at your destination.
Oh, let's put the camera down. Let's
Yes,
have a
let's
look.
get out and have a good look. Dave,
Darren.
I'm going to be honest with you, eh?
Yeah.
And no disrespect to any S15 drivers out there, including yourself, yeah?
Right.
I've been paying me bollocks looking around here. I thought these cars were rare, hey? Huh?
You know what they are, but lads just want a motorbike.
Maybe because you've done such a good job with your car, you just want all the boys, the S15s want them up.
Maybe.
David, you obviously spotted some up the end of the yard.
I did. It's fucking hard to miss it.
What do you think?
I wasn't sure if it was your digger or the new pickup.
Digger, huh? Oh, stop.
I haven't even looked at it yet.
Right, we've up and have a little look at her now, okay? Now, Craig lad, yeah, he took her off the trailer this morning. So Craig has been a busy boy. 4:20 this morning, Craig left the house.
For what?
Go to work.
Ah, jeez. Where's he going?
Up the north with a car.
Fuck's sake.
So man, those boys haven't. They haven't slave driven. Anyway, let's go and have a look at her a little bit. David. Dave, don't want to show I don't want to show me colour off.
Oh shit.
Here, anyway, we started this video on a high. Yeah, we're going to end it on a low in a minute. But anyway, let's turn around to the Craig lad joke, yeah? Right?
Savage.
So, there's his new spoiler. He started at the start of this video, right? He tried his best. You know, he told him to pick the camera up and show the whole crack with it, but I think he took it out of the box and the camera out. Some job, isn't it?
It is. It's fucking dead.
As spoilers go, yeah. Hey, like if I seen that on a shelf in a shop, I wouldn't be much interested. But as part of that kit, David, feck, she looks well.
Finish it.
Well, David, this is the whole thing. It's the big reveal there, right? I don't know if this is going to be as exciting, okay, as a smart car reveal. Hey,
In fairness, they look good together.
but it could be more exciting than the R8 reveal. Hey. Look at this yoke, huh? I don't even know what it is. Hey,
What did you say it was? A Mazda. Was it a Mazda? Mazda Courier or Ford Courier?
Mazda. It's a Mazda. It's a Mazda
Courier.
Mazda B1800. That's what she is there.
Is that so? It is a Mazda anyway, yeah.
It's a Mazda, yeah. Look at her.
Oh, but she's the custom edition according to the wing.
They've always some plans with this thing. Hey. Well, I'm just going to say something here now. It's not going to end up, okay, right?
In the shy corner.
Like that, okay, right? Or that. Right?
It'll end up there.
No, it's not going to end up there either.
There.
Okay. She's not a bad joke, is she?
She's a real hillbilly looking yoke, though.
That's I got it for you, David. Happy birthday.
I wonder where to start.
Well, considering that there's no battery on it, David, it's highly
Oh, jeez.
unlikely now. You know what I mean?
She's fucking some job.
She's some job, all right, isn't she?
Oh, she's a Mazda anyway. Says Mazda on it. What's this for? What are all the buttons on?
Dave, all those buttons, I haven't a clue, hey. Huh? All I know is there's radio. That's a reversing camera, yeah? Hey? Right? She has one of those big horns, you know, those big do whatever, yeah? Here, look at the gears.
Is that the gears there, yeah?
Pull it towards you and open. Look at
Oh my god.
in his alley he is. So, Dave, we have plans for this, we think. Yeah? Now what? Sometimes I question myself. I wanted to buy a tractor. Here, does anyone out there watching this want to swap me a nice little tractor for it, maybe? Doubt that, Dave, one. Anyway, Dave, That's that.
What is that?
is that?
Sporty.
Camper just sitting there, yeah. We have to get back working at that thing soon.
Yeah, we need to get that finished for the Donegal rally.
Yeah, have a few scoopers and that. Anyway, David, that's it. That's a wrap. What's the next one? Next one is we're going to Park and Chillwater for the weekend.
Yeah.
I'm waiting for the Audi to come back. But we probably should say that because I think that's another episode. Well, that's another day's work.
Oh, we probably already said it in previous episodes. It's going off.
No, I think we did, yeah.
Yeah.
Sometimes, David, I just don't know where we are in these things. But anyway, on that bombshell.
Goodbye.